Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bridgette, and on this channel I talk about all things fashion, style, beauty and lifestyle. In today's video I'm going to be talking about skincare, and in particular I'm going to be sharing with you my skincare routine. So I have combination skin. My skin tends to be oily around the T-zone and the rest of the face stays normal. I don't have acne, I don't have skin sensitivity, I don't suffer from hyperpigmentation. I am not a skin specialist, so if you have got any issues with your skin, I highly recommend that you consult a dermatologist or a skin specialist. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into this video. So step number one in my skincare routine is makeup removal. And for this, I use the Miscellar water from Pond's. I never go to bed with makeup because makeup clogs the skin, which in turn causes pimples and blemishes. And I also use these cotton pads that I get from Clicks. I get both of them from Clicks. Step two on my skincare routine is cleansing. And cleansing is a daily habit to remove the remnants of makeup, the dirt and grime that settles on the surface of the skin throughout the day. And for this, I use the Drops of Light range from the Body Shop. So this is a pure clarifying foam wash, which I just use a pea-sized amount. A pea-sized amount is enough. So many wonder if you should cleanse your face first or exfoliate first. But it is important to know that cleansing your face first creates a clean base for exfoliation. So I would say cleanse your face first before exfoliation. And that leads me to my next step, which is exfoliating. And for this, I use this Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Daily Detox Cleanser. And this is a 3-in-1 product that washes, scrubs and masks. And I also use another product from the Body Shop, which is a pure resurfacing liquid peel. And this I love because it easily removes the dead skin. And this is what it looks like. You just rub it on your skin and then this is how it comes off. Can you see the dead skin lifting, rolling? And I have to say this is one of my favorite products from this range. I exfoliate at least 2 or 3 times a week. So one day I will use this and then another day in a week I use the liquid peel. So exfoliating is important because it removes the gunk built up from the excess oils, the bacteria, the dirt that clogs the pores and give your skin a dull appearance. Step 4 on my skincare routine is toning, and this hydrates and prepares the skin for the next step. It also removes the tightness that you get on your face after washing your face. And for this, I use the Body Shop Essence Lotion from the same range. Step 5 of my skincare routine is serum, and this is also good for extra hydration. So normally I use this brightening serum from the same range again, Drops of Light from the Body Shop. And right now I'm also trying this vitamin C serum from the Body Shop as well. This is a very important step for me because it gives my makeup that dewy finish, which I like so much. Both of these are fast absorbing, super lightweight and non-sticky. So step 6 on my skincare routine is moisturizing, which keeps your skin soft and supple. And for this, I use this Skin Defense from the Body Shop, which is a multi-protection light essence. And this is what it looks like. I like this because it's got an SPF 50. It's lightweight. It is fast absorbing and leaves no traces on the skin. It creates an invisible layer that helps to prevent the effects of pollution on the skin. This is a moisturizing sunscreen, and I prefer having a moisturizing sunscreen as opposed to having 2 separate products, that is a moisturizer and a sunscreen, because I still get the benefits of both, that is moisturizing the skin and getting the benefits of the SPF as well. And this has got SPF 50. So on days when I'm spending too much time in the sun, on days that I need to be constantly reapplying the sunscreen, I use the Nivea sunscreen. And this also has an SPF of 50. So I love this because they both have an SPF 50. They don't leave a white cast. They are both lightweight and both can be used underneath makeup. I only use this during the day, and at night I use this Vitamin E Nourishing Night Cream from the Body Shop, which is enriched with hyaluronic acid. Now this is a very important step at night. You need to wash and moisturize your skin every night because we lose most of our skin's moisture during the night when you are sleeping, and that's why we wake up on most days with dry skin. Another product that I cannot leave out in this video is the good old Vaseline. And this I use on my lips before I go to bed, and I also use it every morning on my heels to prevent chapping. I also use these supplements from Clicks, the hair, skin and nails supplements, which are an antioxidant which supports collagen formation and protects cells against oxidation. Now this is a very important habit and I highly recommend. Alright ladies, as you can see, great skincare does not take a lot of steps and it does not take a lot of time to achieve on a daily basis. So do get into the habit of taking care of your skin and you will appreciate the difference that it makes over time. In as much as we love makeup, it is very important that we also take care of our skin underneath the makeup. I personally have also found that foundation just glides onto my skin when my skin is in a good condition. The difference between my night and morning routine is at night I remove makeup and I also apply a night cream, and during the day I apply sunscreens. Think of your morning routine as a time to prep, prevent and protect, and think of your nighttime routine as a time to treat, restore and rebuild. As for the Body Shop Drops of Light range, I would highly recommend this range to someone who is looking to tackle skin pigmentation, someone who wants his skin to radiate, or you want that glow from within, or maybe your skin looks tired and you just want some life back into your skin. Alright ladies, that's it for today's video. This was my skincare routine. I hope that you found value in this video, and thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, bye bye.